Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your Wi-Fi where you are connected to your Wi-Fi but it shows this that cannot connect to this network. Your Wi-Fi and router is working but your PC cannot connect to this network in your Wi-Fi that you're using. So I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. There's a simple solution that you probably using the DNS IP server address in your Wi-Fi setting. So first of all, you just have to go to the start menu here, then go to settings here, click on settings. After opening the setting, you have to go to the network and internet option, click on network and internet option. Then you just need to go to the Wi-Fi option here. You can see in the left here, click on Wi-Fi, scroll down and you will see an option called network and sharing center, so click on it. After opening the network and sharing center, you just have to choose in the left here, change adapter settings, click on change adapter settings, and then you will see option Wi-Fi here, which is Wi-Fi, and it will also show you the router name here. So just click on Wi-Fi here, right click on it, and you will see option called properties, click on properties here. Then it will show this option here. Then you have to choose the internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv version 4 here, so just click on it and choose properties here. And the main problem is that you may have use the following IP address option here, and also under there use the following DNS server address here. So maybe there is some IP address here or subnet mask here that you're using right now. Use the following DNS server address, and also you have chosen the use the following IP address. So don't choose that option. You have to choose the obtain IP address automatically, and also choose the obtain DNS server address automatically. So it will choose your DNS server from the router that Wi-Fi you're using right now. So choose the obtain IP address and obtain DNS server address automatically, and just click OK here. Then close this option, and what you have to do is just go to the settings again and click on Wi-Fi here, and you have to go to the manage known networks here. So click on manage known networks, and you have to choose the Wi-Fi that you're using right now. So I'm using the D-Link here. This is the network I'm connected to, want to connect. So just click on it and click on forget here. So just click forget, and it will just forget your net connection here, as you can see. So just click on it, and you have to put the password again to connect your Wi-Fi here. Put the password again here and just connect the option here, and this will work. This will now connect to your network. The problem will be solved, but that cannot connect to this Wi-Fi. Hopefully this will work for you if this is the problem. Most of the cases this is the problem, and this will work. I hope this will work. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.